You've got the cash in hand, but ever wonder why you spend it the way you do? Or why some folks are stuck in financial ruts while others skyrocket to wealth? Let's dive deep into the labyrinth of your brain and uncover the psychological mysteries of money. We've all been there. Do we buy it? Do we save? Money decisions are everywhere. But what's the psychology behind it all? The human brain is wired for survival, not for accounting classes. From our ancient ancestors to now, immediate rewards often feel better than distant ones, even if the distant rewards are bigger. Ever heard of financial time perspective? It's the lens through which we see the value of money today versus tomorrow. If you can't resist those shoes today, it might just be your brain's way of wanting an immediate reward. Cognitive biases. These are mental shortcuts our brains use. Take the confirmation bias, for instance. If you believe that a certain investment is good because you've only read positive news about it, you're likely ignoring the negative, putting your finances at risk. We've all been emotional spenders at some point. Feeling down? Shopping spree. But understanding this impulse can be the key to controlling it. So, how do we beat our brains at the money game? Start by understanding your money habits. Journaling expenses can reveal patterns. Practice waiting. Instead of buying impulsively, wait a day or two. Often, the urge fades. Knowledge is power. The more you learn about money and investing, the better decisions you'll make. So, ready to master your money mindset? Dive deeper into the world of financial psychology and unlock the doors to wealth you never knew existed. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together.